Hi everybody, I am FGSL and I will show you how to use htmlentities function of PHP. Well, I will create a file named htmlentities.php. I will add the PHP open tag and I will print a snippet of JavaScript code. Script text equals text slash JavaScript. I use window object and I invoke alert method passing a hello world as argument. I will close the stack and it's only this. I will save this file, I will close it. Now I will start a web server with PHP at my machine using 8000 port. Well, I will open another terminal tab and I will invoke a browser, Firefox. I will type localhost colon 8000 and the PHP script htmlentities.php. Look at this. The JavaScript code was interpreted by the browser. Then the code has run it and the object window open alert window with hello world. Think about it. Think about an application which reads user input, and think about a user who types JavaScript or even HTML code. This code can be stored in a database, and after the application can show this content and browser can render the code. If browser finds HTML or JavaScript code, browser will render this content. How you can avoid this behavior? Well, I will show you how to avoid this using htmlentity functions. Okay, I will return to the first step. I will stop the web server for a while. I will open htmlentities.php file and I will change the second line, adding HTML entities. Now my string value is passed to htmlentities function. htmlentities will change every tag for its code. Then the HTML and JavaScript rendering will be escaped. Well, I will save this file. I will restart the server and I will return to web browser. I will refresh the page and look at this. The JavaScript snippet code was not interpreted because HTML entities has converted the code. It seems that nothing has changed, but I will open the source code of this page and you can observe that HTML entities changed the tags to its code. Then browser doesn't render the code because it didn't find tags. Well, this is the HTML entities function. If you have any questions about this function, you can write your questions in the comments. Thank you very much for watching this video.